Are you tired of hitting unexpected roadblocks when trying to move your money around? You're setting up a transfer, everything seems fine, and then bam. A message pops up saying you've reached your limit. Frustrating, right? Especially when you're trying to manage your investments and savings efficiently. We've all been there, and it's particularly common when dealing with platforms designed to help us grow our wealth, like micro-investing apps. Understanding the nitty-gritty of how these platforms operate, especially concerning the movement of your funds, is crucial for seamless financial management. You want to be able to deposit when inspiration strikes and withdraw when you need to access your hard-earned gains. But what happens when there's a cap on how much you can move? It's not always about preventing large transactions. Sometimes it's about security, regulatory compliance, or even just the operational mechanisms of the platform itself. Without this knowledge, you might find yourself in a bind, unable to execute a timely investment or access funds for an urgent need. Today, we're diving into a question that many of you using or considering Raiz have likely pondered. What exactly is the transfer limit for Raiz? Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a popular micro-investing app that makes investing accessible by allowing users to invest their spare change. It's a fantastic tool for getting started with investing, building a diversified portfolio, and achieving your financial goals, one small step at a time. But like any financial service, it operates within certain parameters, and understanding those parameters is key to maximizing your experience. So, let's get down to specifics. When it comes to transferring money into your Raiz account, that is, making a deposit, there isn't a hard daily or weekly maximum set by Raiz itself for most users. You can set up recurring investments, one-off lump sums, or even roundups from your everyday purchases. The amount you can deposit is generally only limited by your linked bank account's own transfer limits or any personal limits you might have set for yourself. This flexibility is great, as it allows you to contribute as much as you're comfortable with, whether it's a few dollars here and there or a larger sum when you have it. However, the question often gets more critical when we talk about withdrawing money from your Raiz account. For withdrawals, Raiz does have a maximum transfer limit. You can typically withdraw up to $25,000 per transaction. This limit is in place for security reasons and to comply with various financial regulations. If you need to withdraw more than $25,000, you would simply need to initiate multiple withdrawal requests. For example, if you wanted to withdraw $40,000, you would make two separate requests, one for $25,000 and another for $15,000. It's important to remember that these withdrawals are processed on business days, and the funds can take a few business days to appear in your linked bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. It's always a good idea to double-check the most current limits directly on the Raiz app or their official website, as these figures can occasionally be updated. Knowing these limits beforehand ensures you can plan your financial movements without any unexpected hitches, making your Raiz experience as smooth and effective as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.